You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this shape of pasta from Italian cuisine. If you want to learn more names of different dishes and shapes of pasta from Italy, stay tuned. We've got tons more. The Italian pronunciation is as trofie, 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 with a stress on the first syllable. In English, therefore, you can simply pronounce it as trofie, trofie pasta, or trofie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.